guys, today in this video we're making brownies.
Not the cap.
I'm accompanied by Chino'S and the cameraman known as Vladimir Ramirez. First step, we have to open the bag of brownies.
Fucking shit.
Oh yeah, and then we pour it. And then Chino'S cracks the egg and put it in there, bro.
Bruh.
Son.
Bruh.
You gotta do it. Want me to do it for you?
Why is it like yolky? Oh,
The girl?
hey, the cameraman does not talk. Remember that. Now, where's the trash can?
Over there. Next to the ramen.
Alright, and now we grab. We grab milk. Doesn't really matter what milk it is, but
That's
the milk.
expired.
No, it's not. Where's the spoons at? Where's the spoons at? We found a spoon, and we think it's a tablespoon. Like, probably not. So you like measure it out, and then you like pour it in. And then you measure another one, and you pour it in. That doesn't seem like enough milk though. Alright, now. So now we get the oil. Where's the oil? How about the camera does something for like one time and then go get the. Alright, now, do you have anything to measure cups? That could work. Alright. So we grab a little pretty teapot, tea thing, I don't know. And we grab it, and then we open the oil, and then we pour some in there.
Daddy, I'm coming.
You think that's good? Alright. And then we pour it in. That seems like a lot.
What the hell going on up in here?
Alright, now, you know what, TDG?
Mm-hmm.
You can mix it, bro.
Mix it.
How about we both mix it, you know?
Alright, rep.
Powder in it.
This is pretty hard, dude.
We're supposed
Feels
to
like I'm
put.
beating my meat.
What did he say?
You wanna get us
Chino, we're
demonetized?
supposed to. I have a question. We're supposed to put flour inside of it.
That was flour, basically.
No, bro, I'm not getting demonetized because it's like meat. You know how you beat your meat to like make it more tender? So like, that's basically what I'm doing right
I think there's one hanging right there.
now. Alright, bro. Alright, hold on. So basically right now, the batter is basically done. Chino,
What'd you do?
you put this in the sink.
What'd you
Alright,
do,
so
Chino?
basically we're gonna pour it in.
Open sink.
It looks really good, you know what I mean? And then we pour it in, right? We'll pour it in. We might have gone to the too small one, but it's okay. Look at that. It's like blowing out.
Daddy, I'm coming.
Just like me when I talk about the second time.
Power, cheese, cheese. You guys season it?
It doesn't get out.
We have season.
We don't need that.
It's not getting out, bro. It's not.
Yo, son, come on.
Dude, I'm making a mess.
Who's gonna come clean this up?
You gotta be confident, Brody.
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Dude, it keeps like trying to wipe.
Chino.
Hard. I don't wipe, by the way. I let it crust.
Brother,
Huh? You think that's good?
Jesus, my chips is wobbly.
Wait, is that oil?
Yeah. We put, I think we put too much.
Why do we add so much oil, guys?
It's okay. It's for it won't stick, you know?
Sticky.
It should expand too, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll fluff up, buddy.
No, she said.
Just like Chino'S cheeks. Or something. I don't know. I'm not.
Alright, I think that's good enough,
Yeah,
guys.
that's good. That's all we're gonna get. Right now? Oh, it's a mess right here, bro. So now we wait for a little bit for the oven to preheat, and then we put it in, and then we wait 26 minutes.
That's
Not the cap.
So
Oreo, there's
basically, we
stuff.
forgot to
no,
preheat the oven.
You
But I just turned
stupid.
it on, so now we just have to wait a little bit. It's heating up right now, and then we have to wait 26 minutes to eat the brownie. All right, so basically, after you're done, you have to clean up your station, or else you're gonna get like salmonella or something. The oven seems pretty hot now, so we're gonna put it in.
Ah.
All right, now we wait 26 minutes. So we got a little distracted, and we bought a trampoline. Now we have to build it before the brownies are done. We'll let you guys know when we're done. Finish the trampoline magically.
How'd you do that, bro?
I don't even know, man. It just happens. It's like that phase drug magic, bro. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm a very trained professional.
Not the cap.
I got this, guys. Oh shit, it's hot. It's hot. Don't try this at home. So basically, you grab it and then you take it to your yeah. Oh, that looks good, guys. Basically, we're gonna let it cool. Plane that spawned out of nowhere, and then we're gonna eat the brownie. Try the brownie. Let me close the freaking up. So guys, the brownie is finished. This is a finished bottom. You can hear it's crispy on the outside, maybe soft on the inside, hopefully. So like we're gonna cut it, right? How do I cut it?
Bruh.
Right? Or let's do it like a pizza, I think. That's too big.
That's what she said.
Just keep going.
Let's just cut it out. Are we gonna finish all of this? It's stuck to the pan. It's okay. It's okay. Technical difficulties. All right, now this way. I say it. No, this way.
Oh, fucking, that's so crunchy.
Oh, okay. Now peel it off, bro.
I even had the crust.
Daddy, I'm coming.
How's the crust, bro? Look, it's soft on the inside. All right, who's trying to try it?
Me.
Grab a plate, so we can all try it at the same time.
Me too?
No! Where's the plate? Oh, yeah.
What's this smells like poo, bro? Put red cream on it. Red cream.
Oh,
One
yeah.
plate. 2 plates. Should I get one for you? Alright,
Yeah.
3 plate.
I already have my own.
Yeah.
Cheetah cube.
Alright, another cut.
Cheetah cube. Silver.
This is mine.
Yep.
Or Junior's. Yeah, this is
Really?
Junior.
They're so good.
Why don't you run up in?
How about Chino? You're the best guy in the whole world.
What did he say?
You need help there? You need help there? Wait, watch out. Oh, he did it.
Oh.
Me too?
Now here's another plate. I guess that one's for you then.
What about me?
It's kind of hard. We overcooked it a little bit, but it's still gonna get tried.
Like the game overcooked.
Yeah. Put a picture of that game right here. Better edit this well edited.
Patty cake with no hands. Got me in this club making wedding plans.
Who's also the cameraman.
Why does this look like pizza?
I don't know.
Domino's.
Domino's, yeah.
Right.
Me?
Right.
Alright, ready?
What about me?
Donate to the kids,
Oh,
bro.
yeah. I don't really want.
A little piece.
Put it away.
No, there's a
You
lot.
can
Don't
you
worry.
can grab a banana.
You guys. Yeah, it'll be warm. Hey. Let's go.
Hey, you want brownie? Oh, want to try brownie?
Is it hot? Hot?
No, it's it. We let it cool off for a bit.
Wait, give me a piece. Wait, I said wait. I don't want to.
Just get off, Junior.
Get off of me. Oh, first taste test.
Are you the?
You guys want more cream?
Is it good?
You guys want?
Oh.
You don't want a little?
All
I
right,
actually want a piece of it.
All right, we'll save you a piece.
I like that.
Dude, it's going everywhere but the plate, dude.
All right, ready? Are you guys ready to try it? Are you guys ready to try it?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Film him too.
Mm,
Hang yourself.
that's really fire. Oh no.
What the hell going on up in here?
It's crispy on the outside and soft
No,
on the
that's actually
inside.
really
What
good.
this?
Put it back.
I say this is a success. It's kind of haunting. I'm
Let
sorry.
me go working with the.
That's actually good.
Gas. Huh? Okay. Oh. On a scale of 1 to 5. Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10. It's probably like an 8. It's a good brownie.
It's done.
Mm.